Hello, my dear children. From our primary classes, we are having letter writing, which is an interesting part in the Part 2 paper. Today, through this video, I would like to explain you about the types of letters and the format of writing a letter. Letters are of two types. They are personal letters and official letters. Personal letters are otherwise called as informal letters and official letters are otherwise called as formal or business letters. I will list out the letters which comes under personal letters. They are letters of invitation, letters of congratulation, letters of request, which will be written to invite someone for a function or a celebration, to congratulate someone for the success, and also for requesting a dear and near for something such as requesting them to join for the trip, etc. Under official letters, we write letters to editors, application of post, which include job application, thanking and making request, that is, official letter where we send thanking letters to the business sectors for approving a project or accepting a project, and letters of complaint. Now, let us see in detail about the features of personal letters. In personal letters, the from and to address is not required in the start of the letter. Place and date must be mentioned. Number 3, subject or the body of the letter, which means the content or the matter of the letter, is very important. Then, concluding line. So, in personal letters, we have a concluding line, which means the ending lines of the letter is very important, where we use the lines such as looking forward to your reply, awaiting your reply, which means we say I will be eagerly waiting for your reply, and convey my regards to all. Next one is subscription part. Here, through the words, we mention what we mean to them. So, in personal letters, we generally use yours lovingly and sign it. And the last one is the to address. It must be written on the envelope, which also means address on the envelope, where we write to whom the post must be delivered. Now, on screen, we could see the letter we write to the different people, the salutation to be mentioned, and the subscription. Look at the first row. When we write a letter to father or mother, the salutation will be my dear father or my dear mother, and the subscription will be your loving son. When we write a letter to our brother or sister, the salutation will be my dear brother or my dear sister, and the subscription your loving brother or your loving sister. As the same, when we pen a letter to our uncle, to our dearest aunt, or to our loving cousin, then the salutation will be my dear uncle or my dear aunt or my dear cousin. And here the subscription will be with love. And the same thing happens when we write a letter to the friend. But the only change is, in the salutation part, we mention my dear, the name of the friend. And finally, we finish our letter with love and your signature. Here we have the general format of a personal letter. As explained before, we begin the letter mentioning the place and date in the right hand side corner. Then comes the salutation part. Here we mention my dear and we have to write father or mother or uncle or aunt to whomsoever it is written. Then we start the letter with how are you? I am fine. Then we can write the details for what we are writing the letter or the purpose of it. Then the concluding line will be convey my regards to all, awaiting for your reply. And finally we end the letter with love and your signature. And on the envelope, that is address on the envelope part, we write the to address. The next one is the second type of letter, that is official letters. Let me begin with the complaint letter. We can give this title when we complain on bad roads, frequent power failures, theft, public nuisance, etc. Number 2, order letters, where we order for books, sports goods, lab apparatus, etc. Number 3, application letter. When we apply for a job, it will be mentioned as application letter. Number 4, request letter. Under this title, we may request for certificates, ticket reservation, change of address, to grant permission, etc. The last one is letter to the editors, where we write letters to the editor of the newspaper. The format of the official or business letters is on the screen. We begin our letter with from and to address. Salutation will be sir. The next line will be subject, where we write the purpose of the letter in short. After writing the subject, we write reference, especially in the complaint letter, and the details must be bill number and date. In case of reminder letter, we have to write the previous letter dated, and we have to mention the date of the letter which was previously written. Then, in the body of the letter, we must write in detail the matter of the letter. After completing it, we must write thank you. Finally, in the subscription part, we write yours faithfully, yours obediently, or yours truly. Finally, the signature of the person who writes the letter. When the letters are written to the officials, each and every official must be addressed with the definite article the, such as the principal, the editor, the inspector of police, the commissioner, the manager, and the postmaster. In general, on the whole, the salutation will be sir, and the subscriptions may be yours faithfully, yours truly in general. Here is the general format of an official letter. In your exams, to hide the identity of the student, it will be mentioned as write XXX instead of your name, YYY instead of your address, and ZZZ for other details like PIN code. Look at the screen carefully. We start the letter with from address. Then write your XXX and YYY straight below the letter M in the word from. So XXX, comma, the next line will be YYY, comma, and the third line will be ZZZ, full stop. Then the to address. The address will be mentioned on your question paper. So write to. Below that, the to address. Then from the margin, write sir, the salutation. Below that, the subject of the letter, then the reference, and then comes the content of the letter. End up your letter with thank you, which must be middle aligned. Then towards the left side, write the subscription, yours faithfully, comma, and signature. Here again, since you should not mention your name, write XXX in the place of your signature. The last line will be place. There you can mention ZZZ and under that date. Look at this, my dear children. This is the new format of an official letter where you write every line starting from the margin, that is left aligned. This was introduced in the recent years to avoid the alignment errors. Hope you understood the concept of letter writing.